Here is part 2 of 4 with the DataQuest from a DataBricks consulting firm interview project that became my ISU master's final graduation project. And part 2, we're going to use Lambda to digest into S3, getting through an API, and this is going to turn it into a JSON file. It's going to store it that way. And then we're going to use EventBridge to store the data. So this is what the API looks like that we're going to have to dig through. It's for the population data. And here is my Lambda function. So when I press deploy, this is the same in my GitHub. It's going to run through this code, get the data from here, and then it's going to store it into my population data over here as a, so we'll see. So it was just updated. Last modified was today, just now, July 16th. So it's updating here into the bucket. And we can just go through here as raw. So it's within the BLS. Oop. It's within the Data USA. And it's within here. And then finally, we're going to set up an event bridge that's going to automatically run this report once a week or once a month. So it's going to be a recurring schedule on the first of every month, every year. And then we have to, oh, the button's over here. Go next, and then we're going to do a Lambda. And then we're going to structure it so it hits this one every time, BLS ingest. And then we're going to press next. And then we're going to, this is the easiest one. This is the only easy part. Part 2 is somewhat easy. And then we're going to run it every month. So save schedule. So now this is going to run and hit the BLS ingest right here, the code on the first of every month. It's going to automatically get the data from this file. And then in part 3, which is next, we're going to have to run both. And then we're going to actually analyze the data. So it's going to be more of the analytics part where we're doing data warehousing and getting data from 2 parts and then combining them into 1. Anyway, this is part 2 of 4. If you have any questions, let me know.